All right, guys, 2017 GMC Sierra. I don't know, Z71 1500. Really lifted truck. High Sierra, or Everest, actually. It's an Everest edition. I guess the High Sierra is the Chevy. Anyways, what we got done on this beast. Factory converter there and right there. Then he usually comes with a third cat, but he wanted true duals. We said, we got you. So we did true duals, replaced the really restrictive cat with a dual in, dual out cat in its place right there. Then we did true dual 2 1/4 all the way to the back on each side there and there into some 5-inch signature black tips there and there, as you guys can see. So it's true dual all the way. Look at that. Very beautiful, very sexy. Just to complete the look, to make it nice, pretty. There's everything that was on it before. There's the flex pipe. The cat was there before that. There's the tailpipe. There's the muffler. And you guys always make sure to take this spring out valve, because if you don't and you do a muffler delete on it, it will rattle. That's what it looks like after. A lot nicer, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and do everything you guys do. We really appreciate it. Oh, look at that rumble. Much better. True dual, baby. Your sound decibels. Again. 114. Wow, that's badass. Hope you guys like it. Look at that idle. Oh, that pop to it. That sounds so good. I like it. Hope you guys like it too. Let us know. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Sierra.